How to fix WhatsApp loading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp loading on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, click on it and now click apps again, and here just scroll down, scroll until you find here this one, WhatsApp, and now click for stop and then go to storage, this one here, storage, and then clear cache and go to permissions, enable storage here, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.